First things first. I've had enough. I need to run the birds. You do well. This is the bird line. See them. And we're back. And we're back. Oh, we almost hit rank 12 on the old. You realise that was the thing here. Yeah, I'm itching. Itching for a bitchin'. Need to run some birds. Oh well, that's that's just not pretty at all. I have to switch, no choice. I'm gonna dragon it. I suppose I'm gonna dragon it, am I? I have to put up with the rocks. What was a rock tomb? Oh, it's a rock tomb. Did they just bring out a dragonette? Altaria. Dragonette, Altaria. Can't take those, that's a good one. I mean, dragon's still weak psychic. So. Probably could see like see that aquatail? Is it aquatail? Yeah, it's the aquatail. So next aquatail there, we'll block this one up. Stems on that damage. Oh, we're not actually hanging out, but we don't know where we are. These extra sentries aren't doing that much damage. One thing I have noticed straight away, not as much damage as I thought it would. I do still believe this is a good play. We've got rock tomb. Oh my gosh. I can't go for hydro pump. I'm not going to make it. I'm going to have to let the poison come through on here. We still have the fire snail to watch out for, see. If they want to, there it is. And now this is going to be neutral if they let it through. It's going to be neutral. I mean, anything it does is double super effective, but that is a neutral, so it is worth doing. Or worth committing that last shield here, just to see if I can land it. I'm gonna do it. Can I land this leaf blade? It's gonna be a neutral hit, yeah? If I can get it, I can. Am I gonna best the fire? Oh my gosh, is that close? I got no shields, and it's got energy, so it needs to be. That was very interesting. That's the thing I find with losing sometimes. You've got to let it roll off your back. There's no point letting it get to you. If it gets to you, it'll lead into the next match. It's not worth it. GG's to me. I don't think I played poorly. I think I got outplayed by a hard-ass lead. Nothing countered me. I countered me hard. I was next to old Talonflame. There's another counter for me straight away, so go straight to Altaria. How's that with... Oh, Woolrine. I love Woolrine there, though. It's super effective. Let's see how much Ice Sculpture is going to do. I'm like 115-0. One shot. That's double super effective. I'm not going to let that through hit. I have to lead into the shield now. Again, this is probably a loss. Still got Talon to worry about. I only got Lugia left. So many Wolverines. Wolverine! I don't want to shield, but I have to. I need the energy. If I don't shield, it's double super effective. I can't get that move off. I can't threaten the shield. That means that I'm going to have to use Lugia's defense. Can Lugia put up with enough that's going to... Oh, they let it go! Oh, they let it go! Oh, they let it go! I've got next to nothing left. But we have to switch out. It's going to be a Brave Bird, isn't it? Going for the Brave Bird now. No shields. Shields are down. You're going to see if you can Brave Bird me. It's a Flame Charge. And that might be another Flame Charge. There's the Brave Bird. See you, Dara. Well, I can't shield here, surely. Ooh, I got a Marion then. Oh, I got a Solace there. That was a nice little Solace. This Birdland is not going to work in this meta. Not even close. I'll do one in retro, then I'll do one in OG. Okay. I'm good. Fast move is the worst I'm going to experience. This is a weather ball, so it's a water type. No hurricane to worry about. Far too quick. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to fire straight away as well. Make it look like we've got stuck in CMP. New shield. Which means I can shield the next one. Because this thing builds up quick, see? Pelipper is a quick burner. Pelipper and Greedent. Maybe Pelipper. I like Noctowl. I like Noctowl. Noctowl's good. I'm using Noctowl, Orangu, and Greedent. But we're trying to see. Just. Oh, the counts are not okay anymore, so yeah. I'm gonna let it take me. I'm not wasting that last shield. Doesn't quite take me that. And they die. Oh, interesting. Do I make the move or whatever they're doing? I do. I make the move. We're gonna fire it. We're threatening the shield or a lot of damage. Leaf Blade's gonna cause a lot of damage. They let it through. They do cause the shield. Okay. I mean, I'm gonna go for. So Dragon Claws aren't gonna do as much damage here, whereas Altari is gonna take some beatings. We don't want to be in. So there's the Dragon Claw. Neutrals on here is not bad. We could take another one. I'm going to go for the move straight away. I'm going to go for that Sky Attack. Almost. That was good. I'll take another one. Let me save the shield. I'll let Lugia go down if I need to. So I'm going to try and farm now, and if I can't farm, then it's down. It's my own fault. Oh my gosh. And this is why I run Hydro Cannon in Great League. How much damage is it going to do? Hydro Pump, boom. And then sniped him with Altara at the end then. I don't know why I made that noise, but I liked it. So that was fun. That's two, straight away 2 leads I remember there, because I've 2 matches. 2 leads that are not fun. Fire Snell and Talon, those 2 previous. Greedent, okay. Body slams on grass are annoying. You don't have to go for aerial waves, and they haven't gone for the body slam yet. They're looking at stacking a little bit of energy there. I know that because I run this thing. Oh, what's that lag? What's that lag though? Are they going to go for dark? Are they going to go for... They can do what they want at this point. Is that move for that Billy Seed? Mud bits coming up. Gone for the crunch. Oh, I would have gone for the. Gonna go for it again. I'm assuming they go for another crunch. They want that debuff. I would go for body slam. There's the body slam. I think the damage ratio to the energy used is better against Tropius. Yeah, I've been able to take it. Quite fly here. And I'll actually finish it there. I'll have to check on the moveset because I don't know what that was all about. But... I don't want to be firing grass at this, but I'm happy for it to take me down. The energy it makes isn't enough for me to worry, considering what I've got in the back. Because this is not going to be pretty. What do I do against this? It's going to fire dark at me. 1, 2. Okay, then they caught it. They did really well. I thought they'd have. Oh, a lot sooner than that. This is going to be an avalanche. I'm going to use all my shields. Didn't catch dark move. To try and get it down. I've just got to commit all my shields. I've used my switch and both my shields to try and finish this off. Is it enough? Yes, it is. Now what's behind it? That's the question. Well, this is good for me. I can get to that second one too, so that's both the moves got. They're stacking this energy. They need to put me down here. Now can I finish this out? With it'll be a Lugia finish. They've worked out they need to fire, so they're going to fire on a double, which feels about right. Now, a Shadow Ball here is going to cause a lot of damage. Let's see if it can one-shot us. Can't one-shot us, but it is damn close. Oh, almost. So close to being able to finish that off. That could have been something spectacular. That was a good match though, so GG's to me. GG's to my opponent. GG's to me for turning up and being there. And if I didn't run the birds, and I didn't just go in and go, do you know what, let's just have a bit of fun, that wouldn't have happened. That was a match and a half. Absolutely smashed. What we got from me now, Mr. Ryan, this is... what am I going to do? I'm going to stay in and cry. Stay in and cry. There's nothing I can do against this except just... I'll go for those Leaf Blades. I'll aim against the... It's an Ice type, but it's also a Psychic type, so Psychic hits neutral, so probably not effective. Oh my gosh. I wasn't expecting that. I need to shield up. I need to shield up. Wasn't expecting to cause so much damage there. Comes to the side beam. This thing's single move. So I can finish it off with energy just on a shield advantage, giving them shield advantage. And we're going to let off some leaf blades here. Oranguru is not going to appreciate any of these. So are they going to shield anything? That's the question. 1. I don't need to catch. I just go down. No point in waiting to switch as well as shield. You dropped your shield advantage, you've given it to them. There we go, now we're even. What is this? I mean, it's death to me, but is it? Because I can take one. Be some kind of psychic move or rocks. There we go. Rocks is fine. I need to make that move though. I think it's glassy enough. We'll find out. We'll find out right now. Is it glassy enough? Is it glassy enough? It will waste that last shield. It's a good play. It's a good play. See if we've got a move left. Don't. But we do get it to fire. That's cool. That works for me. Because it can take me. This is bad. Oh, cool. Alright. Well, I have to waste my energy. Don't have to waste the last shield. Yeah, that's cool. It's dark move. I'm not going to shield the first one. I'm going to shield the second one. This Shadow Ball almost took me out. This thing does foul play. And it can't almost take me out there, just in case it can store an energy there, which I'm pretty sure again it can't, because it's another one that I run. And there, GG's. GG's to my opponent. Thank you very much for turning up. That was quite decent. I went 2-5, but there were some good matches. I'm going to post this up, have a bit of fun. That took us to almost halfway. GG's to my opponents. See you soon.